Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have for you a new unboxing of digital multimeter from Rebel Tools. This is the box and the model name is RB-830BUZ. It means it is buzzing. Okay, let's take a closer look what we have in this box. Open this box. Multimeter. Black wire and a red wire, user manual and a warranty card. Okay, this goes inside. Let's see. This is the digital multimeter. It's powered with a 9-volt battery. Buzzing. And the box was already installed. Okay, let's connect these wires. First, the black wire goes to ground or home port, and the red comes usually here. Voltage, amperage. This is the buzzing function. Let's see. Yes, this is what I don't like. This buzzing comes very delayed. What the multimeter is already, when you touch it, it makes a buzz. This makes nothing. And I hold a little bit more, then we can hear buzzing. And what I like really on this multimeter, that these wires are very soft, not so hard. Soft, very soft. Not very long. Half meter or something, and it's very lightweight. About the precision, I don't know. I cannot test of precision. Like so. Very good. Although this is, you must understand, this is a budget. This is a budget digital multimeter. I bought it about for €7.5. It's something like $9, something else. Well, all over, for home using, it's very good and not bad, very good. So, thanks for watching. This was a short review of this Rebel digital multimeter. Thanks for watching. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.